How to add Python interpreter in your Pycharm. So just go ahead into your settings here in the cog icon, and once you are in your settings, go ahead into Python and then just choose interpreter. If you have interpreters here already, you can just go ahead and choose that if you do. But if not, just go ahead and press on add interpreter. You can choose the local interpreter, but if you have these options, you could of course take a look at those. But in our case, we're gonna go ahead and press on add Python interpreter, and then we could select an existing one. But if you don't have it from there, you can always generate a new one. Choose your type, which is going to be this. Choose your base Python. You can download and install whichever version you want, and then its location. But once you've chosen, just go ahead and wait for the process to finish, and then you can choose it from here. But that's pretty much how you can add a Python interpreter in Pycharm. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.